So I have these that we were about to store away, and I think I have an idea on how we could use it and let it stay out for a little longer before we store it away. So I'm gonna take that pattern that I want and make it into a sketch in XDesign. Now I'm gonna have Sal cut this out of wood.
I made a small cleat and attached it to the wall. Now we can hang up the snowflake, take a step back, and admire what we've made.
Watching them. That was really fun.
Yes, I had fun getting inspired by snow and making all those snowflake projects.
Yeah, it was really cool to start with simple paper craft and work all the way up to building something on the CNC. I love the variety of the projects that we just created.
Yeah, and they turned out great. So if you also got inspired by making your own projects, please share it with us.
And until then, we'll see you on our next make.